The Mailbox Wall Mount series provides a convenient solution for homeowners looking to mount a security mailbox on their house, townhome, or condo.
The Mailbox Wall Mount series includes the same security features as the curbside mailbox and is available in two attractive styles, the Townhouse and the Metro. Introducing the Mailbox Wall Mount, made of 14 and 16 gauge electro-galvanized steel. The large capacity wall mount features the patented anti-pry latch locking mechanism and a high security anti-pick lock. The fast track mounting bracket allows for easy installation. The Mailbox Wall Mount series, your best defense against mail and identity theft.